Hey guys, comment nous y? C'est toujours avec un plaisir pour moi de porter une nouvelle vidéo pour nous sur chaîne ça. Anglè channel, c'est chaîne qu'on remet un pile là. Aujourd'hui, moi porter une très belle vidéo pour vous, côté que nous allons parler de daily expressions in English. OK? On a ces daily expressions, on a parlé de expressions que nous souvent utilisons presque chaque jour. Ça arrive ou même on pas utiliser chaque jour, mais un pile monde utilise en pile, okay? So we have 6 expressions right here and we are going to learn them together. Let's get started without losing time, guys. The first expression that I have for you here is make yourself at home.
Make yourself at home.
Make yourself at home. Right here, say make yourself at home. Sometimes you say at home, or you can say at home or at home. There is no problem if you say at home. So what does that mean, guys? When you say make yourself at home, you mean when you say that to somebody, you want that person to feel comfortable. Ou besoin faire moun sa sentir confortable, ou besoin pour moun sa mettre à l'aise, ou dit make yourself at home. Les hommes disent moun sa fait comme si tu la kaili. Vous connaissez l'eau la kaili naturellement ou bon gens à l'aise. So, si dit pour moun fait ta koute la kaili, c'est une façon pour dire moun sa mets-toi à l'aise, mets-toi confortable, okay? Feel free to do whatever you want. That's whatever you want, bas wal mettre sous ta moun tout. Okay? Make yourself at home, all right? And the second expression that I have for you today is make fun of.
People make fun of the guy.
Make fun of someone or make fun of somebody. So when you make fun of someone, guys, what do you do exactly? You laugh at that person, you tease that person, or you joke about that person in an unkind way. C'est lorsque ou ap moquer moun sa, ou du moins ou ap ri moun nan. Généralement, ou kon fè moun nan fâché tellement ou ap ri. For example, you can make fun of my new haircut. Mwen do a saute couper cheveux, mais puis gon coupe que moi prends, et puis Jean ouais là, regardez tête monsieur, yo, you're making fun of me. Ou ap ri like comme ça, ou ka fè me sentir pas à l'aise. Now you're just making fun of me. Mwen do a parler tout et puis me font erreur. On m'a t'a prononcé un genre mal prononcé, et puis ou commence ri, now you're making fun of me. Là ça ou dit ou moquer en moun, right? And the next one, guys, we have the word look down on somebody.
You look down on me?
Look down on. Say look down on. What does that mean, guys, when you look down on someone? When you look down on somebody, guys, you think you're better than that person. Okay, when you think you're better than the person, you look down on it. You look down on him or her. Par exemple, c'est ça nous les minimiser. Là, on prend mon nom, on pense au plus bon passé. Vous comprenez, nous pensons moun sa li même li inférieur par rapport à ou. Now you're just looking down on that person. For example, you should not look down on poor people, okay? Ou pas supposé à minimiser moun qui pa gen kob yo, moun qui pauvre yo. Par exemple, sou rivon côté, c'est pas parce que ou gen kob l'autre pa gen kob ou pense au pi bon passel. No. Okay, you're not better. Please guys, don't look down on other people. Pas minimiser l'autre moun. And the next expression that I have for you right here, say get involved in. Get involved in.
Get involved in?
We have get involved in. The expression is get involved in. What does that mean, guys? When you get involved in something. When you get involved in something, that means you take part in it or you participate. That is, ou participer là-dedans, that's how you get involved. Par exemple, ou gen doit participer dans une manifestation. Ou y a pas organisé une manifestation, et dit, you need to get involved in that demonstration. Ou besoin participer dans la manifestation, ça, parce que ça y a pour réclamer la bon pour tout le monde, ou obligé de mettre main là dans le tout. Okay, you need to get involved in this. Par exemple, tout doit dire mon tout ou pas vle impliquer dans une activité. Par exemple, il doit avoir un couple qui a un problème yo, et puis les demande pour bail conseil, you can say I don't want to get involved in this situation. I don't want to get involved in other people's thing or in other people's affair. Là, comme ça, ou pas vle participer, ou pas vle fouer bouchou dans affaire l'autre monde. As I said it, guys, get involved, c'est lorsque ou participer dans bagay ou bien ou rentrer dans un bagay. Alright? And the next expression that I have for you today is in vain.
All in vain.
The expression is in vain, alright? So what does that mean, guys? When you do something in vain, that means you just do that thing without success, alright? You do it without success. Alors qu'on fait sans succès. Malgré tout essayer, ça va marcher, okay? You just do it in vain. Par exemple, on m'a dit, malgré tout effort fait pour me parler anglais, je ne style pas qu'à parler, c'est comme si effort moi en vain, okay? My effort was in vain because I could not speak or I cannot speak that language. My efforts are in vain. Ça veut dire, effort que moi fais yo en vain. Ça veut dire, tout ça me fait, yo pas marché sans succès, right? Say in vain. And the last expression that I have for you guys is on purpose.
On purpose?
As you can see it right here, this word is so difficult to pronounce. It's not difficult, but sometimes people mispronounce it. You say purpose. Let's say it with me, guys. Say per and P-O-S-E is pronounced like pus. Purpose. All right? Let's say it for me. Say on, not on. Say on purpose. So what happened exactly when you do something on purpose? When you do something on purpose, guys, you just do it intentionally. Ça veut dire, l'on fait intentionally, ou fait avec intention. Ça veut dire, son ba ou t'y pensé avant même qu'on fait action. Okay? You think about it before doing the act. Par exemple, on admet ou passe son côté, puis ou est pied en moun là, et puis ou dit, ah, regarde, j'aime si longer pied là, ou là, m'bal pile. Là, avant même ou pile, ou t'es penser à ça, ou réfléchir avec, et bien immédiatement ou passe ou pile moun vraiment, et bien now you just do it on purpose. As ou faire pas exprès. But the word is purpose. You say on purpose. And before leaving, guys, I would like to remind you the expressions you have learned, guys. The first is make yourself at home. Make yourself at home. The next is make fun of somebody or make fun of someone. Make fun of. Make fun of. And the next is look down on. Look down on. Look down on someone means you think you're better than that person. And the next is get involved in. Get involved in. Next is in vain. In vain. All right? Can you say it? You say in vain. And the last one is on purpose. Okay, I say on purpose. And I hope you can hit on purpose the like button and you hit the subscribe button to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And I hope to see you in another video. My name is Sèlman.